Okay. Constant var is equal to 10. I took it. Then is this any error in this code? Yeah, Akshay. Any error? If no error, what is the output? If error, what type of error it is? Is it compile time or runtime?
Compile time only.
Okay, compile time means preprocessor or translator or linker. See, just a warning.
Okay.
No error. It's asking. For example, if I give 50, see, var value modified to 50. Okay.
Okay.
Like as of now, we know by using pointer we can modify.
Yeah.
Like if I take start ptr is equals to address of var. Okay. If I like if I modified start ptr is equals to 100. Okay.
Integer pointer, it's became INI.
Come again? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Sorry. And if I comment this scanf, we'll see what could be the output. Now is an error. Same. Constant qualifier pointer target type. Okay. See, var value modified. Means there are two ways. Okay. Now the question is, for example, if it is global, escape yy. Now tell me, is it work?
Not sure.
Not sure. Okay. See, some warning. Got the clarity?
Yeah.
Why I'm asking this question means the question is like, is it possible to change constant variable value? The answer
Possible
yes,
with
it is
local
possible
variable.
by using pointer and scanf, but it could be local. If it is global variable, it is not possible to modify.
Okay.
Okay, this is the thing I want to say. Okay. Okay, Vishal, just now you're getting some interest, na?
Yeah.
Okay. Amit, are you there?
No, I guess.
Amit left. Yeah. Okay. Okay, Akshay. Just practice. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Balmiki, are you there?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah.
Okay, then Akshay, we'll meet again on Saturday, and also don't skip the class. Okay.
Yeah.
So, no, like here, no one can tell you to join and all. Okay. So, like this is
Sorry
your
for the last one.
responsibility. Okay.
Because just not a force, Akshay. Just utilize these sessions. Like whenever, anyway, it is not possible. Like sometimes we have personal work also. That is fine, but better to try to attend the sessions. Okay.
Okay.
Why until just get the job. After getting the job, no need to. Okay.
Mostly I'll try to
Just
not
have priority for the job. No?
Oh,
That's
okay.
right. Yes, yes, okay, okay. Yeah. Okay, okay, Akshay. Bye bye.